Open the door to your future. Explore your creativity with a career in engineering CAD technology at Hennepin Technical College.
So in this program, you would learn 4 different CAD software, and we are training you to work as a mechanical drafter or as a mechanical designer. We're looking for people who have great ideas and want to capture those ideas in CAD software and then print it out on 3D printers.
Gain the skills to translate sketches into a complete project with the industry-leading technology.
You would be using state-of-the-art technology from Bamboo Labs, also have access to our Prusa printers and to our Stratasys printer as well.
Hennepin Tech is open to everyone. Just ask this mother and son, both in engineering CAD technology.
I have a full-time career in engineering CAD design, and I went back to school at Hennepin Tech to further my career.
She really has influenced me because Hennepin Tech really is great for most people starting out going to college.
Or going back.
Or going back to college, yeah.
It's your turn to say, I made it at hennepintech.edu.